Hey, this is Monica with Journey.io. Today, I want to show you how you can set up automation that will identify and take action on the accounts that are at risk of churn in the onboarding stage. I'll show you how to do it manually, and then once you've done it manually, this can all be automated and run in the background of your business. So here I have my stages: onboarding, activating, active customer, power customer, ready to upgrade, and churn customer. I have blurred the sensitive data so our customers don't need to worry about this video. So the first thing I will do is go into filters. I will choose my stage because this video is the onboarding stage. I'll choose onboarding, and then I will choose the health of the accounts in this stage. So I will focus on the bad health. And this again is set up in the background, and algorithm filters all that out. So right now I have 13 accounts in the onboarding stage that are at risk of churn. It means that they're not activating, they're not going to activate, and there's something I can do about it. And I'll show you what I will do. So let me first go into one of these accounts and give you a little bit of background and show you why these accounts were chosen and how they were set up to signal that they are not activating in the onboarding stage. So here is my account. I have a lot of information here. I can see that they're renewing in 1 day, so perhaps it can be a little bit too late to take action. But so I have the timeline, I have the properties, I have all the data that is flowing from different sources here, not only product data, I have CRM data, I have payment data, I have service tickets data, everything that I need to know at 360 degrees about this account. I know who my most engaged users are and the events that they have performed or not. In this case, I can see the health is at 0. It means at 100% churn because they have not completed the 3 main actions that we have mapped as onboarding actions. So if they had completed these 3 actions in the onboarding stage, they would have signaled an activating account. It means that they go to the next stage and they're activating. In this case, it means that they have not even started onboarding. They have not created the board in this use case. They have not viewed it, and they have not moved any issues on that board. Now, there's several things I can do with this account, and I'll show you what I can do. Here I am. So these are all my accounts. And what I can do here, I can add action, right? I will add action to these accounts. In this moment in time, I'm doing it manually. So I'm going to send a message to a Slack channel saying accounts at churn risk onboarding stage. And I will send it to customer success channel. Stage alert, and I will say accounts at churn risk in onboarding stage. Please take action. And customer success already knows what they need to do, whatever your internal policy is. So here I added this message directly to customer success team. I can have a lot of different actions that I can schedule. I can create a case, for example, for a specific person. I can assign a task directly in the CRM system. I can add them to a workflow. It can be communication workflow or different actions. And we do have playbooks that can be run automatically. So also once these accounts meet the criteria that you have set up in the playbook, we can actually run that playbook in automation. So all of your accounts in this case at risk of churn in onboarding stage would be addressed right away without you even lifting a finger. Okay, so this is all set up in the background and it runs in the background like your system. Now, this is how I detect under 2 minutes which accounts are at risk of churn in the onboarding stage with Journey.io. And if you want to do that too, let me know. I'm happy to show.